Foreclosures are rising again in America, and not by a little. In just the first quarter of 2026, 118,727 properties had a foreclosure filing. That's a 26% jump from the same time last year. And it gets worse. Foreclosure starts, meaning the process is beginning on more homes, rose to 82,631, up 20%. And bank takebacks, what they call REOs, shot up 45% to 14,020. Now let's be real. This does not mean we're back in 2008. Even Adams says foreclosure levels are still below historical peaks, but it does mean pressure is building for a lot of homeowners. The states with the worst foreclosure rates this quarter were Indiana, South Carolina, Florida, Delaware, and Illinois. Nationally, about 1 in every 1,211 housing units had a foreclosure filing. And in March 2026 alone, there were 45,921 filings, up 28% year over year. So this is not some one-month fluke. So what do you do if you're behind? First, do not ignore the letters. That is how a bad situation becomes a disaster. Second, call your loan servicer early and ask specifically about hardship options, forbearance, repayment plans, or loan modification. Third, cut the non-essentials immediately. Pride is expensive. Streaming, extras, eating out, trim it now, not after the auction notice. Fourth, watch for scams. Anybody promising they can save your home for an upfront fee. That's a parasite, not a helper. And fifth, get HUD-approved housing counseling. Real help exists, but you've got to move fast. Bottom line, a 26% rise in foreclosures is a warning shot. If you're feeling squeezed, act early, because once the process starts moving, it gets ugly fast.